Hi guys, welcome to our channel Hyderabad Football. So today we are going to a very special called as Mr. Millet guys. So the speciality of this place would be the everywhere you'll see a regular idlis guys, but the speciality of this place is you'll have the millet idli. Yes, you heard it right, it's a millet idli. So this is a very good forms of idlis. They are very healthy, very digestive. They have high proteins, more of fibers. And in this pandemic, in this bad situation, these are the food that has to be eaten by everyone to like boost our immunity guys. So they'll cook in a different kind of leaf guys. It also has a different like taste to it. So let's go and ask the person who makes it why it is made in the leaf and what are the benefits of eating millet idlis. So let's go. So we reach our location guys. So as you can see, it's a Mr. Millet. So this is very famous. So the location of this outlet would be shared in the description, but for your convenience I would like to tell you that it's in the Kondapur near RTO office, Raghavendra Colony to be very precise. Or if you can just type Mr. Millet in Google Maps, so you can come here guys. Thanks Anna. So guys, our millets idlis are ready guys. So look at this varieties. So they have like properly cooked. Look how tender it is, like how spongy it is. And these are 3 different idlis. Let's go and talk to the person who prepared this and let's see what all qualities it have, how proteinful it is. So let's go and talk to him. Hi now.
Hi na. How are you?
Very fine. Okay. Hi now. Hello no.
Fine అన్న.
Fine. So ఇడ్లీస్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఏందన్నా, లైక్ ఇది ఆకులు ఎందుకు కుక్ చేస్తారు?
ఈ ఇడ్లీ ఎందుకు ఆకులో కుక్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే యాంటీబయోటిక్ యాంటీక్లోరిక్ అన్న, ఈజీగా డైజెస్ట్ అవడానికి. మిలెట్స్ అనేవి అరగవు అనేసి పెద్దగా తినరు. మేము ఈ ఆకులో పెట్టేసి అనమాట. దీంట్లో పశువుదనం ఉంటుంది, టామరిక్ దనం ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఈజీగా డైజెస్ట్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. విత్ ఇన్ 4 అవర్స్లో డైజెస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఈజీ ఆకలి పడుతుంది, త్వరగా ఆకలి వేస్తుంది. ఇంకేదైనా బయట టీకింగ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మళ్ళీ ఆన్ డైటింగ్ ఫుడ్ అనమాట. స్పెసిఫైగా హెల్త్ అంటే వెయిట్ లాస్ అవుతారు బిహైండ్ అనమాట. ఈ ఆకు వచ్చి యాంటీబయోటిక్ యాంటీక్లోరిక్ ప్యూర్. ఇది పూర్వీకులు తినే అప్పుడు మనం ఇస్తరాకులు కదన్న. దీన్ని తెలుగులో చెప్పుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఏపీలో అయితే దీన్ని ఇస్తరాకు అంటారు, తెలంగాణలో వచ్చి మోదికాకు అంటారు. దీనికి హిందీలో చూసుకుంటే పత్తాల.
సో ఈ 50 రూపీస్కి ఎన్ని అన్న, లైక్ ఈ కాస్ట్ ఎంత? 3
350 అన్న. ఏ ఐటమ్స్ అయినా 350 రూపీస్.
సో గైస్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ ఫర్ ద 3 different varieties of millets or you can have 1 variety for 50 rupees for 3. ఓకే. సో ఇది ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు? టైమింగ్స్ ఏంది మీది?
టైమింగ్ 6 to 11 వరకు అన్న.
ఓకే. నైట్ ఒకటేనా, మార్నింగ్ కూడా?
మార్నింగ్ 6 to 11 సేమ్ టైమింగ్ అన్న. మార్నింగ్ ఆర్ నైట్.
ఓకే. సో both the morning at 6 to 11 and the night also 6 to 11 guys. So thanks Anna, thanks for introducing this. So nen tinkuta review chestanu. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks. We are finally with best idlis or the millet idlis. So there's a different way of taking this out. You have toothpick, just take the toothpick out, roll the leaf. Look at this guys. They are chilling hot guys. My hands are burning.
Coriander sir, coriander capsicum ఉంటుంది.
It's a different smell that's coming out of this.
Leaves, vegetables.
I guess when we were talking to that person, he told he has little this leaf has little turmeric. 3 idlis are unwrapped, ready to eat. So out of these 3 idlis, one is ragi idli, the one is the jonna idli, and the other one is Samalu idli. So different names, different kind of proteins, vitamins they give it to the body guys. So let's try, let's eat how they're going to taste like. are like very fluffy. The idlis are very fluffy. Look at this and how colorful it is. Like, you know, I guess it's really very healthy to eat such foods early in the breakfast. Good. These are very different from the regular idlis that you eat outside, taste wise, and the chutneys are also adding different flavors, guys. So now you can see there's a little small flag on my plate. So let me go with the coriander one. Loved it, guys. So the idlis are like very tender, very delicious, guys. So I couldn't wait. I went for the other idli also. So the best part about this idlis are delicious and healthy. But the chutneys are like top notch. This is a peanut chutney, like, you know, very thick, and this is the coriander chutney, and this is the tomato chutney. All the chutneys that are prepared here are like very good in taste. They are very tasty, so you can just eat the chutney also. It is that tasty, guys. And I wanted to tell you one more thing. The place is very hygiene. The owner or the other person are using all the COVID precautions, so you can come here without any hesitation. You can come enjoy eating this idlis, guys. Millet idlis are best for your health, so have it, eat it, and taste it. So I forgot to tell you one more good thing about this place, guys. Just because I love eating outdoor, so I sat here, but they do have a separate seating area also, where you can have without this like sound or noise. You can have like calmly them. You can eat and enjoy your millet. Guys, I loved coming this to a place, and this place is like really amazing. Health wise, you can have so many high benefits of eating this millet idli. So I highly recommend you to come here if you are health conscious and if you want to lose weight, or like add this, like, you know, millets into your a dinner or a breakfast, just to have like good improvement of your health. So that's all for today's videos, guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you liked it, please give a big thumbs up and keep showing us love by subscribing to our channel. Share this video among your friends, and that's all. Thank you so much. Peace.